Hey everyone, it's Cajun DIY Diva, and today we are in New Orleans at one of the most historic hotels, the Roosevelt. And I am in a second floor room in Tower 1. It is a room with a king size bed, so let's go see it. So when you walk in the door, bathroom's on your right, closets on your left, it has bifold doors. It has an iron board that my husband has already taken out. Look at that, a shoe brush, hooks, dry cleaning stuff, safe, extra pillow and blanket, and robes. They have these really nice robes. They're not your average terry cloth. They just feel so soft. So they're really nice. Let's check out the bathroom. So it is a stand-up shower. The door's trying to close them. Very compact. It's got the potty, the hair dryer hanging on the wall, a telephone, sink area, and that's about it. You got your extra towels down there. There is a TV in the bathroom. So let's check out. They have some really nice lotions. This is the products that come in the room. You get a little mouthwash. You get like some extra little essentials that are nice. Makeup mirror, and of course little shampoos and body wash that go with the shower. Nice shower with handheld components, so that's pretty cool. So now let's check out the rest of the room. You've got a full-length mirror. The room is not big, so this is the whole room. You've got a nightstand. Of course, my husband has already used his ironing board today. This is a king-size bed. You've got lamps, both like a little dresser, mini dresser, nightstand, and a table on one side. Our view is not too pretty. But the room is pretty decent. Hello. You've got a desk with a chair, and you've got a dresser. Let's see, just regular dresser drawers. There is a mini bar, so that's always nice. You need something, you don't have to wait for room service to come up. And there are bottles of water. I don't know if these are an extra charge or not, but they're really nice ice buckets. They actually work really well, last all day. So that is my room at the Roosevelt Hotel in New Orleans. A very historic hotel. Here's some photography of pictures of it from the past. So if you like this video, if you'd like to see more hotel room tours, please comment, like, and subscribe to my channel, and ring that bell so that you'll get notifications when I make a new video. Thanks for watching.